guys, this is Heather. Super excited today because I've got another giveaway. This one is pretty awesome. I know a lot of you are going to be really excited. So one of you is going to win a BlendTec high-speed blender. Now you can see mine is well loved. Yours will be brand new. Mine honestly changed my smoothie game. I can throw greens in here with the stems, any green I want, so I don't have to worry about the soft ones. I can throw carrots in here, I can throw ice in here. And those of you who know me know that summer is a time when I get very into smoothies. I've just started training for my half marathon that's gonna come up in May, and so it's starting to be smoothie time. So we are gonna make a smoothie to show you how to use this BlendTec. Enter to win by checking in at the link down below, and you'll find how to enter to win that BlendTec. But we are gonna make a recipe from the new book. BlendTec was kind enough to offer this giveaway to help me celebrate launch day, because this is officially in print now. So if you order on Amazon, you will get it pretty quickly. What we're gonna make today is the Tropi-Kale Breeze smoothie. It is one of my favorites for hydration. I put optional coconut water in here. I like to do that after a long run on Sundays, but not necessary. You can just use water. It's got pineapple, it's got mango, it's got kale, avocado, coconut milk, and I'm also gonna put in some matcha green tea powder for that added boost of antioxidants and catechins and all kinds of good stuff. Into the blender, we are gonna start with some kale. Now, if you don't have a BlendTec, I would suggest using some spinach and taking your kale off of the stem. Now, this is soft kale, so it's another option if you use really young kale and it's nice and soft. This is actually from my garden, which is pretty much barren aside from this one kind of wild, kind of leftover bit of kale. So I'm gonna use that today. So that just goes in like that. Red Russian, nice and soft. I am going to use some coconut water, but if you prefer, you can just use regular water. I'm also going to use some coconut milk, and you could use any kind of non-dairy milk if you prefer, but I like the creaminess. Because we're going super green, I am gonna put in just a teaspoon of matcha green tea powder. That is totally optional. For creaminess in this one, we're gonna do a nice ripe avocado. Most of my smoothies, I use banana, but this one I wanted to go super green, super alkaline. And I am gonna put some fruit in here. I've got some mango, some pineapple, and if you've never had greens in a smoothie, pineapple is a great thing to add in there, either frozen pineapple or pineapple juice to help offset the bitterness. The acidity of the pineapple really helps. Then we're just gonna blend. Let's check this out. Oh yes. Yum. Let's get this poured out. Super creamy, rich, delicious. Pour that in here and I can take it to go. A friend gave me this. I love it because it's insulated and it fits my glass straw. Hope you enjoyed the smoothie. So creamy and delicious. Recipe is from the book. You'll also find it on my site along with the entry to win a BlendTec. Good luck to everybody. I've been loving reading your entries so far. Jackie's saying, I need a new blender. I keep saving for a high-speed one so I can make anything I want. Kathy, it would be so nice for nut butters and making my own nut milks. Yes, definitely great for that. Crystal says, would love a BlendTec. I drink at least one smoothie a day and could really convince my kids to too if they couldn't see or taste chunks. Good call. Good luck, Crystal. Lisa, I would use the high speed for making smoothies with frozen fruit. I love thick smoothies you can eat with a spoon. Totally. Yeah, that's when I put ice in. Kaylee, I would blend cashews to make cheese. Nice one. Diane, avocado shake. Well, there you go. Here's one for you to try. Tom, I want to blend as many fruit and vegetable concoctions as possible, and probably more than my fair share of nut butters and hummus. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, guys, for all your awesome comments. Keep entering. There are a few different ways to enter. Some on Facebook, some on Twitter, and some just on my blog, so you can hopefully enter in one or more of those ways. Big thank you to BlendTec for offering the giveaway so that one of you can win this amazing machine and start making super duper smoothies, soups, nut milks, cashew cheese, whatever your heart desires. So thank you, BlendTec. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go enter, and we'll talk soon. Cheers.